If you want to see how I make this tropical sunrise okra water recipe, stay tuned. Most of y'all know me from my okra water video. You can find that video right here. So look, I decided that I wanted to start jazzing it up a bit and adding different flavors, adding different nutrients to the okra water. So today we're gonna be making the tropical sunrise okra water beverage. All right, first things first, we're gonna wash off our strawberries and then chop them up. These are hydroponic strawberries, which means they did not grow in the soil. So maybe that means that we don't have the same risk for pesticides and insecticides. I don't really know if that's the case, but hopefully not.
If you know the answer, please let me know in the comments.
All right, so these are gonna go into the beverage. These are gonna be juiced. Let's get it.
Y'all are about to witness yet another one of my klutzy moments in 3, 2, 1.
Oh! See, I thought it was coming out the side. Okay.
It comes out both.
Okay.
Where's the other jar?
I don't know.
Turn it off. Why don't you just turn it off?
That didn't go well.
Sometimes you gotta laugh to keep from crying. Anyway, let's clean this up and get started again with our juicing.
I think I want more strawberry juice, so let's just borrow some from over here. And while that's going, let's go ahead and cut up our oranges. I'm gonna start off with 3. I might need more. All right, so we're peeling our oranges and we're just gonna throw these straight into the juicer. So we got this little concoction. This is orange juice plus strawberry juice. So we're gonna add that to the beverage after we get all of our fruits chopped up.
Now all we have to do is peel 2 more oranges, separate them into wedges, and add it to our pitcher.
All right, y'all, now it's time to add the okra water. So we have 3 jars. All we did was soak these overnight, just like you do the regular okra water. And now we're just going to pour it in with the okra included. Oof, that sounds rough. Okay, and now, where's my juice? Oh, so now we're gonna add our strawberry orange juice. Look at that color. Okay, and then from there, I'm gonna add some ice. And mix it up. Isn't that pretty, y'all? What y'all think? All right, and there we have it. Tropical Sunrise Okra Water. So now we have to do the taste test. We're gonna swirl it like it's wine or rosé, even though it ain't. It gets me every time. The slime, oh my God. Okay. So obviously you can tell that it has a little bit more sweet to it because we added fruit. But it's not too much. It's just a little bit to take a look. It's just a little bit to take the edge off. What you'll want to do is let this sit for maybe at least an hour and then come back to it. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and then we're going to try it again in an hour. All right, so it's been about 2 hours because we had to meal prep today. So the strawberry juice, orange juice, whole strawberries, and the whole oranges have been infused for about 2 hours. So let's give it another taste test. You can definitely taste more of the fruit. I would say that I'm probably going to start doing my okra water like this more often. I'll still probably do it just the regular way with just okra water and spring water by itself. But I do like adding the different flavors. So whenever I get bored of it, I'm going to start jazzing it up a bit to keep myself interested. Cheers.